Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the book, Federal Aggregate Mortgage Fund, or the AGMI, on the New York Stock Exchange. So let's jump into it. So the Federal Agricultural Mortgage Fund, Mortgage Corp, if we go here, from the Farmer Mac, which is the alternate to the Penny Mac, or the other one, which I forget what it's called now. But this one is to do with rural America and is backed by the government. So the Farmer Mac provides a secondary market for a range of loans made to borrowers in rural America. The company guarantees segments include farm and ranch, USDA guarantees rural utilities, institutional credit, and corporate. Its secondary market activities are purchasing eligible loans directly from lenders, providing advances against eligible loans by purchasing obligations secured by these loans, securing assets, and guaranteeing the payment of principal and interest on resulting securities that represent interest in obligations secured by pools of eligible loans and ensuring long-term standing purchase commitments for eligible loans. This loans eligible for secondary market private Farmer Mac or mortgage existing co, I guess, include mortgage loans secured by the first liens on agricultural real estate, including part-time farming, rural housing, comprising assets eligible for the farming rights line of business. So, over 5 years, the Farmer Mac has gone up and down. At the lowest point in 2020, it was 57, and at its highest point, it was just about November 9th, it was 141. It pays a dividend of, $1 per share. So it's a dividend of 1 to 447, be it 1 to $147.50 Mac, or like 0. What's it? 2.4%. So let's go to the Farmer Mac website. I couldn't find it before, but Farmer Mac. So who is Farmer Mac? Farmer Mac is a vital part of the agricultural credit markets, created to increase access to and reduce costs of capital for the benefit of agricultural and rural communities. Nation's primary secondary market for agricultural credit, we provide financial solutions to a broader regional agricultural community, including agricultural lenders, agribusiness, and insurance. Benefit from access to flexible low-cost financing and risk management tools. Fund Max provide benefit to low cost of funds. Yeah. So they promise blah blah. These their stuff. Yeah, the Farmer Mac was chartered by Congress under the 2019 to the National Farm crisis of 1980s. But really, which just shows how to privatize America's problem, where you come up with scope some money, that shows that the government can't afford to fund this stuff. So we as investors make money from this. And this is part of my broad portfolio, investing in a wide spectrum of assets. We can see that you don't have to just have one making a lot of money and one making a little bit of money. It's like you go for the S&P 500 and just be done with it. But I don't know. I like investing in like REITs and agricultural assets and stuff because they're not going away anytime soon. And yeah, so price of the AGM was at $147.50 USD. Now, as with after hours, so we'll find out that tomorrow. And the performance of it year to date is up almost 25%, which shows you there's a lot of doubt there in the farm agricultural market. So, I'll leave you with this: the farm agricultural market and farmers and people outside the rural cities in America are happening at the moment. Which is where we make money, invest in S&P 500, which is not currently on track to do much this year, or you can invest in something different and take your money to a more safe place where your money's not going to lose value anytime soon. Stable Probably won't be inflation for the next couple of years, but it's not going down. It does. It'll come back up again. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching Sphinx of Wealth. This is my review on the Federal Agricultural Mortgage Fund, the AGM in New York Stock Exchange, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.